0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 25. But I want a square. How to find a square? So pre-multiply by p on both sides. Pre-multiply by p on both sides. So p inverse into p is I into a square. P is equal to p into the diagonal matrix square. We will get it. Next, I into 1 minute. So I will explain in the formula itself. So as we know that P inverse A square P is D square. Okay. So pre-multiply by P. P into P inverse A square P is equal to P into D square. So P into P inverse is I. I into A square P is equal to P into D square. So next, I into a square, as we know that it is a square only. A square into p is equal to pd square. Okay. Now post multiply by p inverse on both sides. Post multiply by p inverse on both sides. A square is equal to p into p inverse is I is equal to p d square p inverse. Okay. Therefore, a square is equal to a square into I is a square itself. A square is equal to P into D square P inverse. This is a way we can calculate A square. Suppose if I want A to the power of 10. So it is very difficult for us to multiply A, the matrix A 10 times. Instead of that we can consider P into D to the power of what? P into D to the power of what? What is the formula to find A power 10?
D power 10.
D power 10 into P inverse. Okay. So sometimes they will ask to find A inverse. Okay. In the previous year question papers you can see. So if you want to find out A square after diagonalization, you have to use the formula that A square is equal to P inverse D square into P. Okay. P inverse already we know. We calculated. Then D square, here we found D square value. D square we found it as 100, 040 and 0025. Okay. Into P. P also we know it. Okay. If you multiply these three matrices, you will get the value of A square. Okay. Yesterday I already explained how we can multiply three matrices using your calculator. Did you clear? Shall I explain once again how to multiply three matrices using your calculator? Shall I explain? Or do you know it?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Shall I explain or what? What do you want? Hello?
Once again, explain, ma'am.
Matrices multiplication.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All of you, do you have your calculator in your hand? Take your calculator. Take your calculator. Took the calculator?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Who is this? ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? Manoj? Some options
Data.
given, no? Data. What is third one?
Matrix A.
Matrix A. First you take dimension. Press that one. One I think. You press one now. Right? Did you press one? What it is asking? M and N values? Manoj BC. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯೇನಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
So after pressing 1, what it is showing? I think it is asking m value. Okay, you type 3. Next, after typing 3, if you put equal sign, then it is asking n value, again type 3. Okay, so next what it is showing in your calculator after equal sign? Calculator, you should take your calculator in your hand, then it is easy for me to explain. If I explain 10 times, you cannot understand if you are not doing hands-on session. Okay, hands-on, you should do it. If you do in your hand, then only you can understand that. Otherwise, if I explain 10 times, it is no use, right? What you got after this? ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇಲ್ವೇನಾ? Hello? You don't have calculator? See, you people are not talking. How can I solve your doubts? How can I explain you people? Don't talk. I will also not do the class. So in this way, if I am teaching you people means, so it is not possible to complete my syllabus, right? Okay, for your internals, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, diagonalization, and finding the powers of A. Okay, I may ask A power 3, A power 5, or anything. So if you want to find out A to the power of 3, so you should consider P inverse D power 3 into P. Okay, P inverse you should find by after finding eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Okay, the matrix which contains eigenvectors is P. Okay, after finding P, you find P inverse. So you substitute P inverse here. D cube. For example, here we got the matrix D, the diagonal matrix D as 1 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 6 or what? 0 0 5. Okay, D cube. D cube means you have to raise the power 3 for only the diagonal elements. That will give us D cube. 1 cube 0 0 0 2 cube 0 0 0 5 cube. Okay, so that is 1 0 0 0 8 0 0 0. What is 5 cube? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are? What is 5 cube?
125.
125. Okay, you substitute that value here. 1 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 125. Okay, you substitute here P inverse value and here P value. So as I explained how to do multiplication of 3 matrices using your calculator, you multiply. So what is the answer you got now? That will be your A cube. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you? Okay. So is there any doubt in finding eigenvalues, eigenvectors, diagonalization and finding the powers of A? Is there any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And I sent the notes of up to diagonalization. I sent complete 2 modules notes in the, I posted 2 modules notes, 4th module and 5th module, both in the MS Teams. I uploaded. You can check it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. If you have any doubts up to diagonalization and powers of A, you can ask. So remaining problems we will discuss after your internals. Okay. Did you clear? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? At least you say yes or no. Okay, take down the one more homework problem. Take down the question. Diagonalize the matrix A. Diagonalize. Diagonalize. Diagonalize the matrix A. The matrix A. And find A square. And find A square. Can you solve it by yourself? Can you solve it by yourself? Hello? You don't
Yes,
want
ma'am.
matrix A?
Matrix. That's where the matrix values, ma'am.
Matrix A you need or what? You want matrix A? So write down the matrix A. 2, 12, 2. 2, 12, 2. 2, 4, 0,
Yes,
0,
ma'am.
0, 6. Okay, this is a matrix A. For this, diagonalize the matrix and find A. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So today only you send the answer for this one. I will check it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you all. So I'm going to stop the
Thank
class.
you, ma'am.
Okay. Prepare well for your internals. Do well. So remaining concept will go in depth from after your internals. Okay.